It will start, but let's try. Wait, it's coming alive.
This abandoned Honda Civic has been sitting here since the flood, and today we're finally bringing it back to life.
Look at this, completely buried in mud. The tires are flat. Wow. It's been here for years.
Even the engine bay and dashboard are packed with flood dirt. Now, this might be one of the dirtiest abandoned Civics we've ever restored. Guys, this Honda Civic looks like it has been sitting here for years after the flood. You can barely even recognize the front of the car anymore. This car has been abandoned for years after the flood. Look at the condition of this interior. Every corner is packed with mud. The back seats are completely destroyed with flood dirt and moisture. This interior hasn't been cleaned in a very long time.
Alright, ready to natural block. Alright guys, today we are finally checking if this abandoned Honda still works after sitting in flood mud for years.
This car has been abandoned here since the flood. And just look at the amount of mud and damage covering the entire lower body and floor area.
All right, guys, we are finally taking this abandoned Honda out of here. The entire bottom of the car is packed with flood mud.
We finally brought the Honda to the workshop. This car looks completely destroyed. Now we can inspect the full condition.
Completely destroyed by flood damage.
Now we can finally inspect the full condition of this.
Just look at this, guys. The wheels are completely jammed with thick, dried mud, and it's hard to even see the tire shape properly. All right, guys, we finally brought this Honda Civic inside the workshop, and you can clearly see it is still in very bad condition after the flood damage, completely destroyed. And it is fully covered with mud, dust, and flood debris everywhere.
Now guys, we are using a proper mud cleaning brush, no soft tools, just strong scrubbing on the dashboard because the dirt is fully stuck inside.
Now we are cleaning the engine bay. There is mud stuck in every corner, so we are using a hard brush to scrub everything properly before the water rinse.
Now finally the floor. This is the dirtiest part. We are scrubbing it deeply before the water wash.
All right, everyone, here's the flood car. We need to check every part. Wheels, everything is just packed solid with mud.
Now moving to the seat upper part, you can see the dirt coming out slowly as we scrub.
Now moving to seat upper part, you can see the dirt coming out slowly as we scrub.
Now we are cleaning the engine bay, and there is mud stuck in every corner, so we are using a hard brush to scrub it.
All right, guys, first we start with the steering wheel. Look how dirty it is. Now we are applying foam and scrubbing it properly. Now the lower seat area, this part is even more dirty. We are scrubbing it deeply.
The back seats are also completely ruined. We are brushing every section deeply because flood mud is stuck inside the fabric.
Now we are cleaning the lower interior and pedal area. This is where most of the dirty flood water stayed for a long time.
Flood-damaged Civic. Stream is rinsing the thick foam off the seats, revealing the clean black surfaces underneath. The powerful foam blasts into the vents, forcing out the hidden flood mud. Now into the steering wheel and center console, breaking up years of grime.
Back seats, using foam pressure cleaning to tackle this flood damage. Now we're pressure foaming the steering wheel, dashboard, and front door handles of this mud-damaged Civic to lift out all that embedded dirt.
Now the steering wheel. We're using firm circular motions to agitate the foam and lift that deeply embedded grime from the stitching.
right, guys, now we're doing it properly step by step. First, we apply foam on the roof, slowly letting it break the mud layer. Now moving to the winch. Look at how the foam is covering the entire car and slowly breaking down all this heavy mud. Now, guys, we are letting the foam sit for a few minutes. This is the important part where it starts breaking down all the heavy mud. You can
every corner properly before washing the whole car.
Now, guys, we are moving to the back side of the car. You can see we are covering the rear bumper. And
as you can see, guys, the car is still completely muddy even after the foam. Right now, we are scrubbing the whole exterior deeply, so all the heavy flood. All right, guys, now the whole Honda Civic is getting a full... The wheels and lower sections are the dirtiest parts of the whole car, so we are scrubbing these areas deeply before rinsing everything. Now we start exterior brushing while the foam is still sitting on the car, and this helps break down all the thick mud before the final wash. Now the side panels are being scrubbed. See that dark mud coming out? Let's move to the trunk and work it in with circles. Look at those streaks sliding down. Amazing. We are now brushing the side panels and door handles properly because mud is fully stuck around these edges. Now we're hitting all four wheels one by one, blasting that thick foam and scrubbing away that flood mud. Check out the transformation. The tire tread is finally visible again after all the mud build up. The rear bumper foam is completely away, and
Now the clean white paint is finally coming back to life under the foam, and the pressure water is sweeping everything off the windshield.
Now the roof is getting its final rinse, all the remaining foam hidden inside the gaps and pipes.
now we're rinsing the full side panels from top to bottom. All the foam and loosened mud is flowing straight onto the ground. And the wheels. Now that all the foam has settled, we're doing the final rinse to clear everything out. Now the pressure washer is rinsing the side of the car. All the thick foam and mud is being blasted off, revealing the glossy paint underneath. Now the pressure washer is rinsing the side of the car. All the foam and grime are gone. Look at that shine. Pressure water is finally removing all the thick foam and flood mud, and you can already... Now the glass is becoming crystal clear. The pressure jet is cleaning deep inside the grille and logo edges, and look at those headlights shine now. And now for the final reveal. The car is completely clean, fully restored, and looking brand new again.